a new study on inhalable microplastics. Now, if we look onto the size of human hair, it is somewhere around 70 micrometers. The particulate 10 are somewhere around 10 micrometers, and inhalable microplastics of the same size. And then you have particulate matter 2.5. So this inhalable microplastics are actually into the air for a very long time. They have a low settling velocity. As a result, they remain suspended and are breathed into the lungs as you move. So two of the cities which are worst affected in India are Delhi and Kolkata. Mumbai and Chennai do have higher proportion of it, but due to the coastal breeze there is the dispersion of the microplastics and the impact is less heard onto the public. Now, one of the very important things which is affecting this inhalable microplastic is the landlocked regions and the higher amount of poor waste management systems, which actually is because of either high population or open burning of the waste. Now, open burning of the waste creates a kind of effect which is called as a toxic bowl effect. Some of the areas from which this inhalable microplastics are seen into the atmosphere are abrasion of the tires on the road, the plastic waste, open burning, the packaging, the disintegration of the packaging materials, and then synthetic textiles, which are mainly the polyester fibers which shed their material during either wearing or washing. So a daily exposure on an average is somewhere around to 132 micrograms for every individual, and that is a urban resident inhaling this. Now this affects the body in numerous ways. It is carcinogenic in nature. It leads to hormonal disruptions and infections and inflammations of the lung. Now, penetrating into the lung, they are also carriers of heavy metal, mainly lead and cadmium, and they lead to endocrine disruptions by phthalates which are generated. And there is one of the major things that is seen with inhalable microplastics is that they have a very high persistence in the atmosphere because of the low settling value, and there is a very less awareness. Now they also are agents to transport microbes like aspergillus or fumigates, which cause the drug resistant infections into human body. The only way to stop this is to actually include the microplastic measurement in the AQI system, regulate the wear and tear of the vehicles and the tires, the synthetic textiles, and educate public, bring in awareness about shedding or waste burning in the open. So those are some of the important things that must be taken into account. But yes, if it is not managed, it creates a Trojan horse effect, which is creating a dangerous effect from such microparticles, which can lead to carcinogenic impact and hormonal disruptions in human beings. So a very, very important topic, highly important from the point of environmental perspective, and for students with geography optional as well. So thanks for joining in. We will be covering more important topics for you. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day.